Alright, let's talk about something that sounds like it's ripped straight from the pages of an ancient alchemist's notebook, turning lead into gold. But this isn't medieval magic, this is modern science, and it just happened at CERN's Large Hadron Collider. For centuries, alchemists tried and failed to transform base metals into gold. But in May 2025, physicists at CERN actually pulled it off. For real. Here's how. They took lead nuclei and accelerated them to nearly the speed of light. Then, in these wild near-miss collisions inside the LHC, powerful electromagnetic fields spawned virtual photons. Think of these like little energy packets. Those photons slammed into the lead nuclei, knocking off protons and for a fleeting moment, creating actual gold nuclei. Now, before you start planning your retirement on a gold island, here's the catch. The gold is ridiculously tiny, just 29 picograms after all those collisions, and it exists for only the blink of an eye before breaking apart. We're talking about 89,000 gold nuclei every second, but they last so briefly and require so much energy that mining gold this way makes zero economic sense. But honestly, that's not the point. This experiment is a window into the universe itself. The process even involves the quark-gluon plasma state, which scientists think existed right after the Big Bang. By making and detecting these gold nuclei, researchers are testing the very theories that help us understand how matter forms, how the universe works, and how we can push the limits of technology. So did CERN just solve the riddle of alchemy? Kind of. Not in a way that'll make you rich, but in a way that brings us a little closer to understanding the deepest secrets of nature. And for me, that's pure scientific gold.